Ever wondered why your Android phone always gets stuck at 80% while charging? No, your charger isn't broken, and your battery's not dying either. It's actually your phone trying to protect itself. If your phone keeps stopping at 80% when charging, don't panic. It's because of a feature called battery protection. And yeah, I know, it can be kind of annoying when you're waiting for that sweet 100%, but it just won't move. So here's what's really happening. On some Android phones, like Samsung, which I'm using, there's this feature that intentionally limits charging to extend your battery life. Pretty cool, right? But if you're not into that, here's how to fix it. Start by opening the settings on your Android phone. Then scroll down and tap on the battery menu. Inside there, you'll find a feature called battery protection. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, if you still want to protect your battery but don't want to get stuck at 80%, just switch to the basic option. This one charges your battery all the way to 100%, then stops and only charges again when it drops to 95%. But if you want it completely off, just turn the feature off. Simple as that. Boom, now your phone should charge past 80% just like before. So yeah, your phone's not broken, it's just being a little too careful. Now that you know what's going on, you can decide what works best for you. If this helped you out, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple fixes like this one. Your phone will thank you later. See you in the next one.